Hi guys. Today we are sharing an update coming from Pinterest. So, let's check out. Pinterest is enhancing its lens camera search functionality with a new shop tab in search results full of shoppable pins. Lens is a feature built into the Pinterest app that allows users to search for a specific item by taking a picture of it. Here's how to use the Pinterest lens camera to find products. 1. To launch the lens camera, open the Pinterest app and tap the camera icon on the right-hand side of the search bar. 2. Next, take a picture of the item you want to search for. Alternatively, you can upload a photo from your phone's camera roll. 3. After taking or uploading a photo, Pinterest will return a set of search results where you can see the new shop tab. Note, every shoppable pin links to the checkout page on a retailer's site. Pinterest says it only displays shoppable pins for in-stock products. According to Pinterest's data, 90% of weekly users say they use the platform to make purchase decisions. This change should benefit both customers and retailers, especially as Pinterest visual search grows more popular with users. Hope this information helped you in any way. Having any questions, query, or suggestion, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.